Folks, summer 26 release is around the corner, and let's take the Flow Builder decision element improvements for a spin around the block. Now, what we usually do in a decision element is to check a date, whether something is due or not, right? I often do that also within record triggered flows when I set up a scheduled path. I want to make sure that the action under the scheduled path is still relevant. Like, for example, if I have a scheduled path running on the opportunity, I'm going to check the stage. And if the state changes and it no longer applies, that action is not going to be executed, which is fine. But if I'm setting up follow-up actions, for example, to execute after 2 days, then I want to make sure that those follow-up actions are still relevant. So I can actually set up a decision to decide whether I still should go ahead with those follow-up actions or I should abandon or not. And I can say, is close date too soon on the opportunity? And I can check the opportunity close date. Now, usually what I need to do here is to set up a formula, for example, to see whether the difference is within 3 days or if it's today or tomorrow, things like that. If it's today, it's simple. I can use the flow current date. I have a global constant that I can refer to. But now we have these operators in the latest release that allows us to check whether the close date is today or tomorrow. So I can easily and simply check whether the close date is tomorrow. And when I pick that, the picker on the right side disappears immediately because it doesn't really need anything else. This is kind of similar to what we have in Report Builder. We can do relative dates. And the thing that I particularly like about this one is I can say whether the close date is within the next number of days. I picked months by accident. Let me just do the next number of days. And I can say if the close date is within the next 3 days, I don't really want to set up a task to follow up on the prospective client, or I don't really want to email the salesperson. So this is actually a great improvement that's going to make things much easier for us. Enjoy.